Probability. What we discussed? Definitions we discussed. We finished definitions. So now we are going to take a few examples and then see here. Example. So find probability. Find the probability of following. Okay. A coin is tossed. A coin is tossed. Let's take 4 times for simple question. But a coin is tossed 4 times. Then what is the probability of getting what is the probability here? Find probability of following. A coin is tossed 4 times. Then what is the probability of getting number 1? Exactly 1 head. Next, exactly 1 tail. Next, 3. At least 1 tail. Next, all tails. Okay. No tail. Okay, these questions we'll answer only. This is very simple questions. Why I have taken, I want to tell you the basics. That's the reason I have taken this. Okay. Here, first thing you must know is a coin is tossed 4 times. When a coin is tossed 4 times, you see, first 4 times. No, first time it may be head or tail, 2 ways. Head or tail. Second time it may be head or tail like this. First head, then head or tail like this. First tail, then head or tail. Understand this. Third time it may be head or tail. Fourth time it may be head or tail like this. See, total how many? 16 outcomes you may get. Please understand this. I am writing this now. Sample space means set of outcomes. I am writing now. What is that? Head, tail. And see, this tail, second place, third place, you can put like this. Head, tail, tail, like this. So now what you can take? Head, tail, like this. So on all tails I can write. See, that means you will have. See, if you write here, then you can this only head, tail, and again here head, tail, again here also head, tail. This only head, tail, head, tail, again head, tail, like this anamata. If you write, then you will get all 16 outcomes. You get 16 possibilities are there when you toss a coin 4 times. A coin is tossed 4 times. How many possibilities will be there? This one. So therefore, I will write first number of elements. N of S means number of elements in S, that is 16. You can simply write 2 to the power of 4. This you should know. A coin is tossed 4 times, then number of outcomes will be 2 to the power of 4. This first thing you need to understand. Now we'll answer the first question. What is that exactly? Probability of exactly 1 head. Exactly 1 head. Probability of exactly 1 head. Out of 2 to the power of 24 outcomes, you need to get exactly 1 head. Exactly 1 head means like this. Exactly 1 head means what? 3 must be tails. Exactly 1 head means what? 3 remaining 3 must be tails. But where is the head? Whether first place, second place, third place, or fourth place? See, understand now here. Understand now. You need to here select Out of 4 places, select 1 place and arrange their head. Remaining 3 places, arranging head. How many ways you can arrange head? Arranging head only one way. And remaining 3 places will be there. You need to arrange 3 tails. 3 tails all similar, therefore that's also one way. So that is 4 by 2 to the power of 4. I will write what is this 4. 4 ways. What are the 4 ways? I am writing, you see. Okay, you need to get exactly one head. No? Head, tail, tail. This is one. Next, first tail, then head, head, tail, tail. Next, tail, tail, head, tail. Next, tail, 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 head. These are the 4 possibilities. These are the 4 possibilities. Okay, hope you understand. Exactly one head means what? First head or second head or third head or fourth head. What is this fourth one? Is that 4? 4 is what you are arranging. Head can be arranged in 4 ways, or first place or second place, third place or fourth place. Remaining 3 places only tails. Automatically it will come. Okay, so that's 4 by 20, 4 by 2 power 4. Okay, let's go to next question. Okay, all right. Okay, now next question. What is that next question? Exactly 2 heads. See here. Exactly 1 tail. Acha. Exactly 1 tail is what? Exactly 2 tails I'll write, because exactly 1 tail is same answer only, and therefore I'm writing exactly 2 tails. So exactly 2 tails, see, exactly 2 tails. Exactly 2 tails means what? Probability of exactly 2 tails. Probability of exactly 2 tails. Exactly 2 tails means 2 more must be heads. Exactly 2 tails or probability of exactly 2 heads, tails is nothing but 2 tails and 2 heads. Understand? Exactly 2 tails. Under 2 tails undali. Means what? Inka rendu em undali, heads undali. Exactly 2 tails is nothing but 2 tails and 2 heads. Here out of 4 places, select 2 places and arrange their heads. How many ways you can arrange heads? 1 way. And remaining 2 places tails. How many ways? That's 1 way. Total 6. What are those? I'm writing this 6 ways. I'm writing head, head, tail, tail. Head. Understand this. This tail I am interchanging. Tail, head, tail. The next tail, head, head, tail. Understand? Okay. Okay, a coin is tossed 200 times and find probability of getting number 1 exactly 10 heads. Second question, exactly 100 tails. Same question you tried. Next, at least 1 tail. Next, odd number of heads. Okay, so wantedly I am taking this question again because same model you will understand better. A coin is tossed 200 times, then total probability. Now, n of s is what? First blank, second blank. That means what? First coin 2 ways, second coin 2 ways, third time 2 ways, the fourth time 2 ways, so on up to 2 to the power of 200. Total outcomes. N of s is 2 to the power of 200. First thing you must know is. Next, first question. Exactly 10 heads. Probability of 10 heads. Probability of 10 heads. Out of 200 coins, you have to choose 10 coins and arrange their head. 10 coins head. Meeta anni coins kuda tail adi 1 by 2 to the power of 200. Meer ardham chesukondi. Second question. What is it? What is that? Second question. Exactly 100 tails. Probability of this is 100 tails. Probability of 100 tails. 100 tails is out of 200. Select 100 by 2 to the power of 200. Like that. Simple, no? Next. Third. At least 1 tail. I told, no? Probability of at least 1 tail. At least one tail. At least one tail means what? Total probability. 1 minus probability of no tail. No tail means what? All heads. 1 minus all heads. 1 out of 200 to the power of 200. Next, fourth. Here you see odd number of heads. Odd number of heads is so simple. Probability of odd number of heads is 1 by 2. Very simple. Odd number of heads means what? Either you should get odd number of heads or even number of heads. Okay. When you toss a coin, you will get odd number of heads. Ante padte odd number of heads ana padte even number of heads ana padte ante. Daniki ఎంత ఛాన్స్ ఉంది, దీనికి అంతే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. అర్థం చేసుకో. అర్థమైందారా? 200 టైమ్స్ చేసినాం రా. ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ హెడ్స్ పడుతుంది 100 పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉంటాయి. ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ హెడ్స్ పడుతుందుకు ఇంకో 100 పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉంటాయి. అంటే 1/2 50-50 ఛాన్స్ అనమాట. ఆడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ హెడ్స్ ఒకవేళ 200 ఉంటాయి, 199 ఉంటే దట్స్ డిఫరెంట్. 199 అంటే ఆడ్ పడడానికి ఎక్కువ ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. 199 ఉంటుంది. Okay, now let's go to next one. A coin is not a coin. Just a minute. I'll change it. 9 coins. 9 coins are tossed. 9 coins are tossed. 9 coins are tossed. Then find probability of getting exactly 9 coins are tossed. Then find the probability of getting exactly. No more. Even number of hits. Exactly is not required. Even number of hits. Next, odd number of hits. See, first thing you need to know here is nine coins are tossed. 9 coins are tossed. When 9 coins are tossed, 9 coins are tossed, or a coin is tossed 9 times. Number of possibilities will be same. Here 9 coins are tossed. No, 9 coins are tossed. So n of s is how much? N of s is 9 coins are tossed. N of s is 2 to the power of 9. Means already I told you when 9 coins are tossed, you should understand all those 9 coins are different only because nothing is given. You should understand they are different. 9 coins are tossed. First coin may be head, second head, third head, so on up to all heads. First may be tail, then head, all heads. Then first head, then tail, so on up to all heads, like this. That means what? All 9 coins are tossed means all 9 coins you have to take differently. Okay. Then find probability of getting find probability of getting number of even number of hits. The next odd number of hits. Okay, let's see here. Even number of hits we see. Even number of hits means what? Probability of even number of hits. Find probability of even number of hits. Even number of hits means what? Out of 9 heads, you select 1 head, or 3 heads, or 5 heads. Like this. Or 9 heads, 7 heads, or 9 heads. Like this. By 2 to the power of 9. Good. This is very good. Already we know C0 plus C2 plus C4 plus so on is 2 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, similarly C1 plus C3 plus C5 plus so on up to 2 to the power of n minus 1 also. This is 2 to the power of 9 minus 1 by 2 to the power of 9, which is 1 by 2. Probability of odd number of x also. Just I am showing in another way, but the same thing. 9C0 plus 9C2 plus 1 up to 9C 10, 9C8 by 2 to the power of 9. This is also 2 to the power of 8 by 2 to the power of 9, which is 1 by 2. Please understand this is 9C1, 9C0, 9C2 means odd, no? That's also 2 to the power of 9 minus 1, n minus 1 comma. Both will have same answer. Yes, yes. The coin is tossed 9 times and 9 coins are tossed 1 time. 9 coins are tossed or the coin is tossed 9 times, the same thing. Total possibilities 2 to the power of 9, and the probability of even number of hits is 1 by 2 and probability of odd number of hits also 1 by 2. Okay, let's go to next. A die is rolled. Five times. A die is rolled 5 times. Number 1, question number 1. Probability of the coin is tossed 5 times. Okay, then probability of getting exactly I wanted to write it. 2 6s. అర్థమైందా డైని 5 టైమ్స్ వేసినప్పుడు 2 6లు రావాలి. ప్రాబిలిటీ ఎంత? 2 6s and 3 5s. Next 3. Okay, hope you understand. Exactly 2 6s. You got 2 6s and 3 5. Next 3. At least 1 6. All the dice show same number. All the dice show different numbers. All the dice show different numbers. And the next, all the dice show same numbers. Not same numbers, same number. Okay, all right, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. So here, students may get confused. You see here carefully. This is little different, but for sure, one thing is for sure. This is a die rolled 5 times. ఒక die వేసిండ్రు 5 times వేసిండ్రు. ఓకేనా 5 టైమ్స్ చేసినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ టైం వేస్తే 6 పాసిబిలిటీస్ లో ఏదైనా రావచ్చు, సెకండ్ 6 పాసిబిలిటీస్, థర్డ్ 6 పాసిబిలిటీస్, ఫోర్త్ 6 పాసిబిలిటీస్, ఫిఫ్త్ 6 పాసిబిలిటీస్. బై multiplication theorem, total number of possibilities is power 5. This one we say n of s, number of possibilities. I am writing here number of possibilities in, or number of elements in sample space is 6 power 5. Okay, this is clear everybody. And next, first question, let's take first question. Exactly 2 6s, 1 2 3 4 5. Out of these 5, out of these 5, out of these 5 places, I have to select 2 places. Is that yes or no? Exactly 2 6s. No? 2 places, what I have to arrange 6s, 2 6s in 2 places. Ante 2 places lo 2 6s lo one way ne. ఎందుకు 2 6 అంటే 2 సేమ్ కదా, 2 డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటేనేమో డిఫరెంట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ అయితేనేమో 2 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్, సేమ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ అయితే 1 వే. అండ్ దెన్ నెక్స్ట్, what is next? What is next you see? What is next you see? Remaining 3 places will be there. In these 3 places, what you can arrange? You should not arrange 6. See, exactly 2 6s and 2 places. Out of 5 places, I selected 2 places and arranged 2 6s, and remaining 3 places will be there. Remaining out of this remaining. Out of these 3 places, in 3 places, what you can arrange? You can out this. Except 6, you can arrange 1 2 3 4 5. అర్థమైందారా? ఓ 2 ప్లేస్లు ఉన్నాయరా, ఈ 2 ప్లేస్లో 6 6 అరేంజ్ చేసినాం అనుకుందాం. మీ ప్లేస్లో ఏం అరేంజ్ చేయొచ్చు? ఈ ప్లేస్లో 5లో ఏదైనా అరేంజ్ 5 వేస్, ఈ ప్లేస్ కూడా 5 వేస్, ఈ ప్లేస్ కూడా 5 వేస్, అట్లా అనమాట 5. ఓకేనా? రిమైనింగ్ 3 ప్లేసెస్ కెన్ బి అరేంజ్డ్ ఇన్ 5 into 5 into 5 by 6 power 5. సో ఇక్కడ therefore what you get here? 5 C2, 5 C2 into 5 power 3 by 6 power 3. Okay, I hope you understand this. Next, 2 6s, 3 5s. Ray, this is different. This is different. See, 2 6s and 3 5s is different. Hope you got that. Second, probability of 2 6s and 2 6s and 2 6s and 3 5s. It are them 2 6s and 10. Out of 5 places, you select 2 places, arrange them 6. అరే 2 ప్లేసుల్లో 2 6లు అరేంజ్ చేయాలరా, 2 6 అంటే అది ఒకటి 1 వేనే. ఓకేనా? దెన్ నెక్స్ట్, యా యూ షుడ్ రీజాయిన్. ఓకే, అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 5 ప్లేసెస్ సెలెక్ట్ 2 places and arrange 6 there. And then next remaining 3 places, you need to arrange 5. Okay, remaining 3 places, you need to arrange only 5. That's also 1 way by 2 to the power of 6 to the power of 5. Next question. Yeah, next question. What is the third question? At least 1 6. At least 1 6. At least 1 6 is at least 1 6. At least 1 6 is total probability minus probability of no 6. 1 minus probability of no 6 means first place. No 6 రావద్దు అంటే ఏంది? రిమైనింగ్ 5 లో ఏదైనా రావచ్చు, 5 లో ఏదైనా రావచ్చు, 5 లో ఏదైనా రావచ్చు, 5 లో ఏదైనా రావచ్చు, 5 లో ఏదైనా రావచ్చు. అండర్స్టాండ్? 5 to the power of 5 to the power of 5 by 6 to the power of 5. Understand this? 2 6లు 3 5లు రావాలిరా. 2 5లో 2 సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని అక్కడ 6 అరేంజ్ చేయండి. 2 బ్లాంక్స్ లో 6 అరేంజ్ చేయండి. ఏదైనా 5లో 2 సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని అక్కడ 6 అరేంజ్ చేస్తే మిగతా 3 బ్లాంక్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, రిమైనింగ్